As you can hopefully see, I just barely bathed because this install is a little bit dirty, but I'm gonna try to teach you how to go from this. These lights are what was in my kitchen, these two, to these can lights. It's an easy install, trust me, you can do it. You can actually do it without almost any drywall fix. The only thing I had to fix was this patch. You can't even see it anymore. I already fixed it. It's done. One fix.
Lights. Controlling the sun with a switch. The ability to transform a space and reveal the flaws, the beauty, and the personality of your home.
So we got this wall pulled out. Now we got to put a bunch of can lights in. So the first thing to consider is what you're trying to light, which is the cabinets, obviously. The cabinets, countertops come out 24 inches. So what I'm doing is going a little past that, which is 28 inches. Will set me about, just past the cabinet. So you'll light the kitchen and the countertop space. So it took a couple times to find the right place that I want it, but they have this template that you can fit over there and then just trace it. And then you want to cut on the inside of this one because this template is a little bit larger than it needs to be. The previous light was right there. So that is pushed up into the attic, into a box so I can access it later if I need to, but it's still safe. So I took that power and I split one there and I split one there. And then I went, I think I call it a daisy chain, all the way down each side until it hit the very end one. So I actually didn't even get into the attic on this entire install. I stuck my hand up through the hole with the wire and then tried to kind of guess where it might land close to this, and then I had someone else stick their hand up there and then grab it and pull it down. So it's possible to do this entire install without even getting into the attic, which is awesome because it's like 105 down here while I was doing this. These pop out so you can put the wire in there and then hook it up there. These are pretty simple to install. Just kind of clip it in there, white on white, black on black, and the green on ground. These lights have a setting where you can change how blue or yellow the light is, right here. Okay, I got the wires ran. These don't have to be 12 gauge, they're supposed to be 14 gauge, but the 12 gauge was on sale, and that works. So now we just got to connect the rest of them. Now the cap's on, you just fold these tabs up, stick it in the ceiling, done. Watch the insulation fall out. Shit. So bright.